Chapter 2. Working of our body. Our body is made up of different parts. We can see some of our body parts. Some of the parts of it are inside our body. We cannot see them. We can divide our body parts into internal organs and external organs. External organs. The parts of our body which can be seen are called external organs. Head, neck, hands, legs, and fingers are external organs. Our sense organs are also external organs. We use these organs to do different kinds of work. We use hands to lift, hold, write, and eat. We use legs to walk, jump, and run. Sense organs. We use eyes to see. We use nose to smell. We use ears to hear. We use skin to feel. We use tongue to taste. Internal organs. Our body parts which are inside our body are called internal organs. These organs are protected by bones and skin. Some of our internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, and kidneys. Let us know about them. Brain. It is inside our head. It helps us think and remember things. It controls all the organs of the body. That is why it is called the control house of our body. Heart. It is in the left side of the chest. It pumps blood to all our body parts. Keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Do you feel something beating like drum? Lungs. They are 2 in number. When we breathe in, our chest expands, and when we breathe out, our chest goes back to its earlier position. This is due to the lungs inside our chest, which help in breathing. Stomach. The food that we eat goes down in the stomach. It is like a J-shaped bag. It digests the food. It works like a mixer, turning the food into smaller pieces. Kidneys. Kidneys are 2 in number. They look like beans. They help us to get rid of the waste from our body. Other than the organs mentioned above, our body also has many bones and muscles, about which we will learn in higher classes. Caring for body parts. We must take proper care of our body parts. We can take care of our body by eating good food, doing exercise daily, taking proper rest, drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, keeping all the body parts clean. Chapter 3. Our family. Parents and their children make a family. They live together in a house. Families are of different types. Let us study about them. A family in which parents live only with their children is called a small family. This type of family is also called a nuclear family. Father earns for the family. In some families, mothers also earn for the family. A family in which parents, grandparents, and children live together is called a large family. The father of your father or mother is called your grandfather. The mother of your father or mother is called grandmother. A family in which grandfather, parents, uncles, aunts and children live together is called a joint family. A joint family is always a large family. A family in which either mother or father live with her or his children is called a single-parent family. Sharing and caring. Family members love, help, and respect one another. Parents take care of all needs of their children. Your father and mother work to earn money. They buy food, clothes, books, and other things for the family. They help you in your homework. They look after you when you are sick. They also help each other in housework. Children should also help their parents in housework. You should do most of your work yourself. You should not disturb your parents for every work. Recreation in family. Family members have lots of fun together. They all enjoy living and playing together. All family members meet at the time of vacations, festivals, weddings, and birthday parties and have lots of fun together. Chapter 4. Festivals for Fun. All of us have fun on festivals. It is the time when we enjoy with our relatives and friends. People celebrate different religious as well as national festivals. Let us read about religious festivals. Holi. Holi is a religious festival of the Hindus. It is the festival of colors. People throw gulal on each other. Children play with pichkaris and balloons. A special sweet snack called gujia is prepared on this day. The Sehra. The Sehra is a religious festival of the Hindus. It is celebrated for 10 days. It is also called Vijayadashmi. It marks the victory of good over evil. On this day, effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna, and Meghananda are burnt. At many places, Ram Leela is enacted. It is a play which shows the life of Lord Rama. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is a religious festival of the Muslims. It is celebrated after the holy month of Ramzan. During this month, people go on fast. Eid is celebrated the next day at the end of Ramzan. People go to the mosque to offer prayers. They wear new clothes and wish each other Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called sevai is prepared. Christmas. Christmas is a religious festival of the Christians. This festival is celebrated to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. On the Christmas Eve, people go to church for offering prayers. Carols are sung. People decorate Christmas tree with bells, gifts, and stars. They wish each other Merry Christmas and exchange gifts with each other. A plum cake is specially prepared on this day. Guru Purab. The Sikhs celebrate the birthdays of their 10 gurus as Guru Purab. The birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated in a special way. People go to Gurudwaras and worship their holy book, Guru Granth Sahib. Processions are taken out. A chariot having the holy book is decorated and is taken round the city. Free community kitchens called langars are organized at Gurudwaras. Some festivals are celebrated by the whole nation or country. They are called national festivals. We celebrate 3 national festivals in India. They are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, in 1947, our country got freedom. On this day, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and gives a speech. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. Our country became a republic on 26th January 1950. A parade is taken out from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Red Fort. The President of our country takes a salute of the parade. In the parade, armed forces, people from different states of India and school children take part. Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, also called the father of the nation. People go to Rajghat and pay homage to the father of the nation. Chapter 6. People at Work. When we fall sick, we go to a doctor. When a tap leaks at our home, we call a plumber. There are many such people who help us in different ways. They take money for the work they do. So, the work they do to earn money is called their occupation. Let us know about some such people and their occupations. An architect makes the plan or drawing of a house. A farmer grows crops for us. A teacher teaches us many things at school. A blacksmith makes things of iron for us. He also repairs them. A doctor treats people who are ill. A plumber fixes taps and wash basins. A carpenter makes doors, windows, and furniture for us. An electrician fixes fans, lights, and other electrical appliances. A traffic policeman controls the traffic. A chef cooks food in the restaurant. A mason lays bricks and helps in the construction of houses and building. A policeman looks after our security. In this manner, people of different occupations help us in different ways. We should respect everyone. Without them, our life would be very difficult. Chapter 7. Places of Worship. Our country is a land of many religions. People of different religions worship God at different places. Some worship in temples, some in mosques, some in gurudwaras, and some in churches. Let us know about different places of worship in detail. Temple. The Hindus go to the temple to offer prayers. The holy book of the Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. They pray to different gods and goddesses like Lord Rama, Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesha, Goddess Durga, Goddess Lakshmi, etc. Mosque. The Muslims go to the mosque to offer prayers. The holy book of the Muslims is Quran. Gurudwara. The Sikhs go to the Gurudwara for offering prayers. The holy book of the Sikhs is Guru Granth Sahib. They have 10 gurus. Church. The Christians go to the church for offering prayers. The holy book of the Christian is Bible. The Bible tells them the teachings of Jesus Christ. Fire Temple. The Parsis go to the fire temple for worshipping. The holy book of the Parsis is Zend Avesta. The fire temple is also called Agyari. Message of all religions. All religions give us the same message that God is one, only His names are different. We should love everyone. We should never hurt anyone. We should respect all the religions. We should help the needy. Chapter 8. Food we eat. We all need food to live. It makes us strong and helps us grow. It also helps us stay healthy. Sources of food. We get food from plants and animals. We get food grains, fruits, vegetables, pulses and oil from plants. These are called plant products. We eat different parts of plants. We eat the fruits of different trees like mango and apple. We eat the seeds of plants like wheat and rice. We eat the stems of plants like sugarcane and potato. We eat the flowers of plants like broccoli and cauliflower. We eat the roots of plants like carrot and turnip. We eat the leaves of plants like spinach and mint. We get milk, meat, egg, fish and chicken from animals. These are called animal products. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. Many food products like curd, cheese, butter and ghee are made from milk. We get eggs from hens. We get meat from hens, fish and goats. Healthy foods. There are 3 main kinds of food. Energy-giving foods. These foods give us energy to work and play. Cereals like wheat, rice, maize and barley are energy-giving foods. Sugar, potatoes and butter are some other energy-giving foods. Body-building foods. These foods help us in building our bones and muscles. Foods like milk, meat, eggs, peas and pulses like gram, urad and moong are body-building foods. Protective foods. These foods give us the strength to fight diseases and keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables are protective foods. Some foods are eaten raw and some are cooked. Fruits and some vegetables like carrot, radish and